Good morning, everybody. I am sitting in the driveway getting ready to head out to pick up the engine. So it's a quick hour and 15, hour and a half drive, something like that, depending upon traffic, because it is in the Charlotte area. So who knows what the traffic's going to be like. So, one thing I kind of thought about this week, so I'm sitting in the truck that I purchased new in 1994. Me driving it today is equivalent of me having a 57 pickup when I was in high school. So kind of makes you feel old, but I didn't see that many 50s cars in high school. Maybe two people had cars in the 60s or something like that. So cars are definitely staying around a lot longer. So let's go pick up this engine. Made it down here.
We're not taking action, not jumping into action zero step. I think we're all wondering, clearly there's going to be some.
I like how you got the decal on for that, because it was barely on when I first started to get it apart. I'm like, oh man, how am I going to replicate that? So it looks nice. There's Bailey.
Get that out of the way.
All right, we got it loaded. It's ready to go, sitting on the tire. Got the torque converter in there. Ready to head on down the road. All right, it's a little toasty today. Already had to change shirts, but got the engine out, got it on the stand. So I'm gonna go pick up my transmission now. So I've got a little dolly I can put it on, wheel it around, give me a chance to clean it up and stuff. So my neighbor came and helped me out with the engine and on the hoist here. So it wasn't that difficult of a job to do. So but it's in there now, and it's like, you know, one more thing that's been accomplished. So I'm gonna go get the transmission, and that'll be it for today.